Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to add Shareit widget small on your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is press the two finger on the screen in your Oppo A5s mobile phone and slide closer to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Shareit widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the Shareit widget. In Shareit widget, there are options here, the small, the medium, and the large Shareit widget. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the small Shareit widget. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, automatically show the widget on your home screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the Shareit small widget on your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.